guys, welcome back to my channel, and on today's episode I want to show you how I make marinade. What do I say in English? Marinade. This is how we call it in Mauritius. If you know this is snug, it is so good. Most likely we eat this during Ramadan, but it's not Ramadan yet. What to do if you're having craving for eating marinade? So let's just make it. So now for the marinade dough, I'm just gonna keep calling it marinade. So if you're watching this, you're not from Mauritius, then marinade is just a little deep fried balls with some herbs in it and a fermented dough. It is just absolutely so good. So I made the dough yesterday already. You have to make the dough at least 24 hours, not leaving it in the fridge. Just keep it outside on your working surface, on your kitchen counter. Cover it, obviously. So I use the same recipe for my chana puri, which I'm gonna link it right here for you guys. So just make the dough exactly like this. Leave it overnight or 24 hours on your kitchen counter. And this is what you're gonna end up with. So just a fermented dough, and the more the dough smells, the better the marinade will be. I forgot to add some food color yesterday when I made the dough. I'm gonna add some yellow food color right now to my dough, but I also have some herbs, which is chopped coriander, chopped mint, and chopped red onion. I would like to add red onion in this marinade because it's gonna be yellow and this green, and the red onion is just gonna look beautiful. So, but you don't have red onion, just use regular yellow onion. Adding a pinch of yellow food color and all of this herbs and onion. I'm just gonna use my hand, which I have already washed, to mix everything. Now you guys can see how the dough is looking. Okay, very important to have this dough in this consistency. So just give everything a mix. I can smell this fermented dough. In the meantime, you can preheat your oil to deep fry. It is that easy. Let's go fry them. Keep some water on a side, just wet your hand. That way it is easy to grab the dough and drop in the oil. I'm not gonna do this too big. Don't fill the pan too much. The oil gonna drop, temperature of the oil gonna drop, and then the marinade gonna absorb so much oil. I like to use a fork to just move them around so that they can fry all over. On the other side as well, just gently, be careful. This is not gonna take too long to fry anyway, like 3 minutes. 2.5 to 3 minutes. Marinade is looking beautiful right now. I'm gonna remove them. I'm gonna try to drain the oil well. Marinade is ready. Same for the rules of chana puri. The day you make chana puri, there is no diet. Same for this one, marinade. There's no diet on this day. Smell is so good. I don't know, on the outside of the marinade, there is always a little crunchy sound. Can you guys hear that? Yum. So good. Comment and let me know which one you like better, chana puri or marinade. The last marinade that I made was the biggest one, and it's mine. Do you want to come and join me? Taste this. I saved this big one for me, but it's gonna be yours.
Girl bag.
Take it. Take it. Eat it before I steal it.
Oh, we're recording?
Yeah.
Oh, it's gonna make mess everywhere.
No, it's not. There's no crumb in here. Yum, yum.
Very good.
So good.
The only problem here, it's fried. I don't eat fried food.
I don't know if you know about this one, John. So, you know the balls. Yeah, he call it balls. Chana puri. It's stuffing inside the dal or potato I did the other day. So, this is the same batter, but upgraded version. No, you can have it now. Okay. But this one doesn't have the ball stuffing. If you know what I mean. Remember the ball inside has stuffing?
Yeah.
Recipe is down below in the description box. I will see you next time. Bye.